Welcome back to Manageable Money. Today we're going to talk about something really cool that's kind of like a lottery ticket with a twist. What if your lottery ticket never expired? Your numbers would be in every draw forever, and you could keep adding more tickets to boost your chances. Sound intriguing? Say hello to premium bonds. Premium bonds are a savings product offered by the UK's National Savings and Investments, or NS&I. Instead of paying interest like a normal savings account, they give you the chance to win tax-free cash prizes through a monthly prize draw. Here's how they work. You buy bonds. Each bond costs £1, but you need at least £25 to get started. Every bond is entered into a draw. Each month, every £1 bond you hold goes into a prize draw. Instead of earning regular interest, you could win prizes ranging from £25 up to £1 million. And your bonds never expire. Once bought, your bonds stay in the draw every month until you cash them in. Because NS&I is backed by the UK government, your money is completely secure. Each £1 bond has its own independent chance of winning in every draw. The more bonds you own, the more chances you have. The odds of winning any prize per bond per month are currently about 1 in 21,000. Here's the pros and cons. Let's start with the positives. Premium bonds are 100% safe and government backed. All your winnings are tax-free, and they provide the thrill of a lottery with no risk of losing your initial money. They're easy to cash in whenever you want. Here's the downsides. There's no guaranteed interest. Your return depends entirely on whether you win prizes. On average, over time, many savers may earn less than they would in a high-interest savings account. In short, premium bonds are like a savings account with a built-in lottery. Your money stays safe, and instead of interest, you get the excitement of prize draws every month. They're probably not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but for me, they strike a nice balance between security and excitement. If you're considering them, just weigh up whether the thrill of a prize draw is worth it compared to guaranteed interest in a savings account. I'm curious, do you use premium bonds? What's the biggest prize you've ever won? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear your stories.